Allahu 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 Allah Allahu 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 Allah Allahu Allahu
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the entire universe. Assalamu alaikum, respected listeners. Today, a Muslim is inviting a non-Muslim to return to the last book of Allah and turn to our Lord who created us. And here is a message that our religion does not support or order us to fight or kill, but our religion Islam teaches us to be kind and even love small creatures. So how can Islam spread the message of killing innocents? A Muslim becomes a complete Muslim when he believes all prophets sent from Allah and to respect them and then believe on all the books revealed on them. So respected non-Muslim sisters and brothers, please believe in there is no God but Allah, and please turn to Allah before it's too late and you return to Allah. There we have not much time. In our last book of Quran, our Lord says in chapter number 9, verse number 6, and if any of those who associate others with Allah in His divinity seeks asylum, grant him asylum that he may hear the word of Allah and then escort him to safety, for they are a people who do not know. In this verse, our Lord spread the message of mercy and humanity to all mankind, especially non-Muslims. So respected non-Muslims, sisters and brothers, this is the only message we have for you. Please comment your opinion or any topic you want to be discussed. That's all we have to say today. Please subscribe and share this video so that our message reach to as many non-Muslims as it can. Allah Hafiz.
Allahu 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 Allah Allahu Allah